Hi, second graders. This is your reading and writing lesson for this week. If you choose to do the Google Slides version of your reading and writing lesson, continue to listen on. If you choose to do it this way, you do not need to do the paper and pencil copy that I sent home. Okay, you're already in your mailbox, your Gmail. So next I want you to click on an email from me that looks like this. Copy of A, lost at C. You probably already have gone this far. Now it always takes a little bit for things to open up. And what we're going to do first is we're going to make a copy. That's what it said in my directions. So you will have the version that I've sent you, and then you're going to have your own version, and we're going to add your name on it. That way you can type on it, you can interact with it. That means you can move things around. And at the end of the week, once you've completed the tasks, you can send it to me. It's called sharing it. Okay. So everything is downloaded. The slides, the Google Slides are all along this side. But like I said, before we get going too much, I want you to make a copy. So this is how you make a copy. You go to File, you go to Make a Copy, and you want to copy the entire presentation. Click on that. This is where you're going to put your name. So do you see where this is highlighted? I want you to delete that, and you're going to put your name. So I would put Mrs. Weiner. And I'm going to put Lost at C and click OK. So as that's loading, look up here at the top part of your screen. This was a copy I sent you, and now this is another copy that I made that has my name on it. This is what I want to go to every day to do my lessons and to add my work. All right, again, it takes a little bit to load. Again, if this is too time-consuming, if your internet's slow, mine's slow right now, maybe you'd rather do paper and pencil. Do whatever works for you and your family. Okay, good, it's done loading. So again, it looks the same as the original copy that I sent you before. This is just yours with your name on it. So again, do your work here. Down here at the bottom, there are what we call speaker's notes. And these are directions on how to work with some of these slides. So this one says, click inside the text box with the word type. Delete the word type and type your name. And so whenever you see the word type in your journal, you'll replace it with your own words, your typed response. So I click on there, I do backspace or delete, and then I add my name. I know it's kind of small now. I'll show you how you can make it bigger on the next slide. Okay? It automatically saves second graders, so you don't have to do a file save. It's just whenever you start typing, Google knows to save it. I'm going to go to the next slide. And here it is. It says you can zoom in and out by clicking on the magnifying glass drop-down icon located in the menu bar, selecting a different zoom size. So if you're like me, I don't know who can read that tiny, don't be afraid to go up here to the zoom. And there's the drop-down menu, okay? So you can click on different ones. That will make it bigger. And then you can scroll and stuff. So on here, this is just going to be a reading page. So make sure you read it because this is part of your reading and writing work for the week, okay? I'm not going to go through each slide, but I will show you one more. And again, we can make this smaller if you want to. Your parents might also be familiar with Google Slides if they need to use it for work or for their own school if they go to school. So it's going to tell you what to do. And again, wherever you see that word type, that's where you need to add something. All right, so I'll let you go through those throughout the week. At the end of the week, you need to share this with me, and here's your share. You need to click on that, and this says enter names or email addresses, and this is where you enter my email address. And it just says It would just be sweiner@csd.k12.wi.us. Then all you do is you click send, and then it will go right to my mailbox. Okay, I'm going to cancel that though because I'm not going to send this to myself. Okay, so I'm trying to think if there's anything else. If you have problems, don't be afraid to email me. I am a new learner as well with Google Slides. So if I don't know the answer, I will try to find the answer. Mr. Groff is a great resource for me, or sometimes I just spend time searching the internet for answers. Okay? All right, and then when you're done with your work for the day, let's say you just did parts 1, 2, and 3, which is the assignment for Monday. When you're done, all you do is you X out. So I'm going to X out here and here. And then second graders, if you ever want to find your work, now it's Tuesday, all you do is you go back, you're in your email, you go to Google Slides, and by the way, I think I have a lot of versions saved on here because I've been playing around a lot, and here it is, and it opens up, and then it should have everything that I, see, remember I typed my name in there, that I did. And that's it. All right, good luck second graders. If you choose this version of doing your work, the digital version, I'm kind of excited for you. It's a fun way to learn and kind of a fun way to turn in your work as well. Bye.